Hello and welcome to our tutorial on collection page in Swipecart. Are your customers facing difficulties while navigating through your store or locating the right product? Having a collection page is great help for users looking to navigate through your app without any hassle. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon to customize the collection page on your current design. Select Collection from the list of system-defined pages. You can use this page to design the layout of your collection page. The right side section consists of a widgets panel. You can use the different widgets available to create your ideal collection page. All you have to do is drag and drop the required widgets to the design area and customize them. These widgets are dynamic, wherein you get to alter their content and style format. If needed, you can also duplicate a widget or delete it from the design layout. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the collection page on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your collection page on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.